for you at that place that you said we should wait for you now. I'm with my friend Oma. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, we are here. Just be fast. All right. We are waiting for you. Okay. All right. See you. Love you. He's on his way already.
Stood under the sun for so long.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
So sorry.
Hi, baby.
I'm so sorry. So sorry. How are you?
I'm fine. You kept us waiting.
I'm sorry. I was just around the corner. I was telling you that I'm very close.
It's okay. So can we go now? Okay,
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay.
My bad. Meet Oma. My
Oma.
friend.
Hi,
Hello.
Oma. How are
She has
you?
a lot about
Excuse
you.
me. Good day. Please. Good day.
What is it?
I just passed here not quite long, and I noticed that my 15 Pro Max iPhone got missing, and it must be moved by one of these girls.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Can you imagine?
I said, no, I walked past here and my phone got disappeared. In a simple terms.
Your phone disappeared.
Yes.
What are you saying? Are you now calling us thieves?
It's not like I'm calling you thief, but
your phone.
I finished making call at that bus stop, then put my phone right here, and on getting there, I wanted to make another call. I could not see my phone again.
Go and look for your phone.
I don't understand.
As you can see, your phone
you
is
came
not
back here to come and say
Exactly,
what?
I don't know.
Why did you come back here?
Oh, this is not the best response to this.
See,
the best response is for you to say, okay, did you see his phone? Can you just search your bag so that you will prove me?
This is my girlfriend.
It's okay.
This is my girlfriend and I know her so well. I know she's not a thief.
Exactly.
So why would I ask her if she took your phone? What does she need your phone for? She has an iPhone 16.
Well, if
And
you're looking for
talking
your
about
phone,
iPhone 15.
just search her.
Is it iPhone 15?
Okay, she's making a good point. Look at she's making the right point. She said I should search them.
Search why?
Search
Why?
who?
Search who?
Search
Search
you.
for what?
No,
Search
they
for
should
what?
search happiness.
Why would you search anybody here?
Sir, we are talking about 15 Pro Max.
Who cares
And
if
you
it's
know,
15 Pro
and
Max?
you know how much it is. So please, I can't afford to lose it. Please. I'm just being quiet because I know you're a gentleman. So that's why I said, okay,
so
let's
because
do
I'm a gentleman, you come and insult me. You are
It's not
insulting
an-
me by telling me to search my woman for your phone. She's not a thief.
I never insulted you, but if you
okay.
say
It's an insult. I take it as an insult.
Okay, no problem, but just tell them to
It's
search
okay.
themselves.
It's okay. If he said he's looking for his phone, it's okay. Search happiness.
Oma, what are you saying?
What I am saying is that you have a character in picking what is not yours. Return it. Make this thing very simple.
Babe.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Babe,
What's your friend saying?
I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what she's saying. Oma.
Does she know you to be a thief or what? Because what she's saying, it sounds like
She has a character in taking what doesn't belong to her. That's why I'm saying what I am saying. What I'm saying is simple. Let's just search her. You never can tell.
wait. What you're insinuating is that she's been stealing from. I don't
Hello,
understand.
sir.
I don't want to put it like she's stealing.
okay.
But if you say stealing, fine.
My time is of the essence here.
Oma, I can't
It's
believe
okay,
you are
it's okay.
saying this.
Happiness, stop this thing, please.
Babe,
Stop it.
Babe, it's all right. I believe in you. I know you did.
You believe in a thief.
So
Give them your bag.
can he just please?
Babe, how can a stranger search my bag?
Please, please, just vindicate yourself. Let's
I'm
him.
doing this because of you.
Okay.
It's just because of the love I have for
I'm
you.
very, very surprised by what your friend is saying, but I know
Because
that.
it's the truth. No, don't be surprised. Don't worry. You will see for yourself.
Just
Relax.
take the bag.
Just relax.
Take the bag.
Okay, take bag and search. Look for your phone. You said you're wasting time. You're dulling. Like you don't see iPhone
You carry
15.
the bag very
Can
well.
I see the one you have in your
Are you done there? Okay.
I bought this phone for her.
It's not here.
It's no way.
Did you see your phone inside there?
The only thing I can see here is
My
Kreke
money.
Golden. I can't find it.
What do you mean by the phone is not there?
Okay.
Are you sure you searched this bag very well?
Will you remove your hand from
Please,
my bag?
can
Give
I
him
see-
your own bag.
Oh yes, that's true.
There
You
is
have a
nothing in
bag.
my bag. Take.
Give
want-
it to
you have
him.
a bag
Happiness,
with you
wait.
there.
Wait.
Will you remove
now.
your hand? It's like something is wrong with you.
Let's just search and be.
Is that your phone
Is that
or
your
that?
phone?
Yes, this is my phone.
Okay.
Please, you can have your bag. Take it.
Oma.
So I wasn't wrong after all.
What's going on here?
Wait,
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm really, really sorry
Wait,
about
did you bring out this phone from my
Of
bag?
course, now that okay. Do you want me to call the police?
Sorry, no.
Wait. What did you say her name is?
Oma.
Oma.
Baby, don't worry. Let me talk to her. Oma, you think you are smart, right? You think you have sense?
Sir, I'm really sorry.
You think you have sense? I saw you.
I did not.
Wait, I'm still talking. I saw you when you moved that phone from. Do you know that she actually moved that phone from the man's pocket?
She did it.
Put it inside my bag. I was smart enough to switch it, to reverse it back to her because she wanted the whole thing to be on my head. Can you imagine?
So you were trying to set your friend up?
Exactly, in front of my man. What is wrong with
Why?
you? What have I done to you?
But why?
I don't know.
Oma, why would you do a thing like this?
Why won't I do it? Since you came into her life, I will not hear word. Any small thing. My man, my mama even. Every time you keep disturbing my ears with my man. You caused it. What is it? Are you the only person that have a girlfriend? Why won't we have peace? In the midnight, I will not sleep. You people are talking. Are you people mad? You be laughing me. You be laughing next to a single person. Are you stupid?
So because of this, you are willing to send your friend to prison?
So you are jealous of me?
What if this situation had escalated beyond this?
Reduce whatever stupid love you people are doing together. Reduce it.
Oh my, you are jealous of me.
I am not jealous. Yes, I am jealous. Why won't I be jealous?
Excuse
Every
me.
time your mom bought you this gift, the next thing, gift card, this one.
I'm going to. You think what you just did is a joke?
Baby,
you think it's a joke?
Okay,
Let me call the police right now.
I always give you my things, part of my things. I share literally everything with
police.
You think it's a joke?
Oma.
I'm sorry.
Baby.
No.
Babe,
Let me show her.
Babe, wait.
Let me
Now,
show you.
listen to
Let
me.
me show you how serious what you just
Babe,
did is.
listen to
You are running your mouth. You did this trash and you are running your mouth.
Babe, calm
Look
down.
at you.
Calm down. Let me talk to her. She's my friend. I know her more than you. Oma, as from today, I don't want to ever see you close to me again. You see that house? Just go straight to the house. Pack everything that belongs to you and leave that place. I don't want to come back there and meet you in that my
Look
house.
at someone that
I was
they
the
are
one that
spotting.
paid that rent. I'm the one that is feeding you.
I'm sorry. It's the devil. It's the devil.
If you don't get away from it, leave this place.
Babe, let's go.
Happy is the devil.
Babe, let's go.
Happiness is the devil. Devil.
Open the car.
I should get you arrested.
It's the devil. Can you go?
That's what we like to.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.